Ayikho into ebuhlungu ubona ingane ihlukumeziwa, guys. Sanibonani, welcome to 2 Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and comment, guys. Isencane Lengane, it is the back for season 5. For those who don't know, Isencane Lengane, it's really to show that play on Mojo Live few years back, guys. Most people thought the show was great until they discovered that Siyacela is mistreating Thando in several occasions. Yesterday episode, Siyacela slapped Thando in front of everyone. Just imagine, guys, how painful it is. And people are now tired, are calling out to Mojo Love to cancel the show, guys. The accident really got people mad. Some people were saying Siyacela deserved to be arrested. Others were saying that they wish the show could be discontinued because it was toxic. There's a lot that people had to say, guys. Someone left comments say Thando is going to forgive Siyacela for hitting her. It is not even the first time. I wish I could save her. Another one said that I did not even know there was a new season. It's a very scary for Thando. Imagine these two got married in 2019. They were Siyacela was 16, Thando was 15 years old, guys. No one deserves to go through this, guys. And as much as we think there is, there's nothing we can do, but at least Mojo Love, they could do something about it, guys. I do understand that it's a content at the end of the day, but no one deserves to be abused. Siyacela is not ready. Last week, you know what, instead of protecting Thando, he was protecting Umanto, guys. Just imagine, guys. Thando, she's